Hi, here we are back again with Yin Chu and me, Helmut Flash, and we're going to be. I'm going to ask Yin a question about some of the major points of social media. Yin, our small business owners, doctors, and stuff like that, dentists. What should they know about social media?
All right. There are 4 points which I want to share today. Okay, and the first point is this. Dissemination of information. Social media allow us, small business owners without a lot of big advertising budget, to actually share their contents easily with people. And one of the best way I've loved it so far is to use video marketing. This would be a video marketing for us here, and it's like an infomercial in the old days, whereby people need to they shoot a nice infomercial, they put it on TV channels. But right now with social media, we can do it all for free.
And you're telling me what we're just shooting here is not nice?
Oh, it's very, very nice. It's very nice. But we can now, condense it. We can do it with less cost involved, right? And now we can duplicate what we do here, and this video will be put onto like 50, 60, 70 different websites out there, and a lot more people can access it. That's number one. And number two, Google can now find us easily.
Yes, because Google loves a video, any content for that much, but video especially, because video is the new thing. They love it when it is not on that person's website, but when it appears on other websites. Basically,
that's right.
That makes you endorsed.
That's right. So if your video is appearing on other people's website, let's say 50, 60 different websites, and YouTube is one such website that we know about.
Yes.
And there are about 50, 60 other websites around. And we can all put our videos there for free. And if you do it in large quantity, what happens is that your keywords get repeated over and over again. And now Google say, well, if you type in, business consultant in Los Angeles, our video will pop up because our title has that keyword.
Okay.
Right. So that's point number one. Number two, having a blog. And nowadays. It's so easy to put contents out on the internet, right? So a blog allows us to do it easily. People with no programming skills or website designing skills, right? We can actually upload an article, a video, a picture on our website easily through a blog. And also a blog allows two-way communication, okay? And when there's two-way communication going around, Google again loves it because he sees that.
What type of two-way communication?
Well, adding a comment.
So people can add a comment.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah. And Google looks at that as a two-way communication. That's for sure.
Exactly. And then now Google will say, "Wow, your website is updated regularly." Now, in the old days, we had to hire, Flash designers and HTML designers to do all this updating. But right now, you, me, anybody who do not have programming skills can update their websites regularly. And Google, by that means, will keep our website higher on the search engine ranking than a website that is static.
Plus, the consumer loves it when he can look and listen at comments from other people and gets feedback type of stuff, because the consumer, the new age consumer, wants to be involved.
That's right. That's right. That's a very good point.
Right.
So the third area is this: getting involved in social network sites like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, etc. Now,
from what I know, anytime I ask somebody, a small business owner or a large business owner, I've spoken to some very, very large business owners, all they tell me when I say, what's social media? They say Facebook, Twitter, and posting articles on there and getting involved into the groups. There's like Facebook groups and all those things, and that's all true.
Yes.
But that's the only thing they talk to me about.
That's
it.
right.
They never talk to me about infomercial, like you mentioned. They don't talk to me about blogs.
That's right.
And they don't talk to me about it.
No, they don't, because they know only that part. That's what the social network sites like Facebook, Twitter, and even if they know it or getting involved in groups like you say, they still cannot get it done.
Why?
Well, no time. No time, and also not knowing how to go about doing it. They hear tips from different people, and they attend some seminars here and there. So they go in and open a Facebook account, and they try to get fans of Facebook, and they find that it's so much time and so much barriers and blocks, and in the end they say, well, I have no time, and then they say that
it fades out.
It fades out. Exactly.
Right.
So the fourth point, very important, is to hire a marketing company, consulting company that can actually put together a whole strategy for you on how to put videos up, updating your blog and having a very active social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Right, and get those strategy in place, and then if you need to hire an assistant, a college kid to help you to implement some of those legwork, and that is how social media can take off. Like Dell Computer, when they first ignore social media, they actually suffer quite major financial losses, right?
Very much.
Right, and now they grew from the experience, and they literally have about a few hundred people working in their social media department.
That's correct.
Right. So that is why it's so important, or else this will be a very disappointing strategy for small business owners to embark in if they do not know that it takes money and time to implement this whole subject, and it better hire a consulting or business expert who knows how to navigate these waters here.
I see. Well, otherwise, I guess what you're trying to tell me is it's just like me trying to pull my own tooth because I guess it's cheaper. It cannot be done.
Right.
Or me trying to cook my own wedding catering food and learn all about weddings and catering and how to do it and then cook it on my own wedding. It cannot be done.
Right. And many people will try it still. Despite what we're saying here in this video, many people say, oh, I don't believe Helmut and Yin. I'm going to try it myself.
Of course not, because we have a vested interest in this whole thing. I know they won't believe us, but they will believe us 1 or 2 or 3 years later when they haven't gotten anything done while trying to do it.
That's right. And many business owners have gone that route, actually.
Exactly. And in the next 3 to 5 years, that's even more disastrous the way I see it, simply because this area is taking off like there is no tomorrow.
That's right.
The way people out there, the way the public starts to shop, and whether that's for a dentist, cardiologist, or for a car, or for a suit or whatever it is, has changed. And if the person selling stuff and marketing stuff doesn't adapt to that change, he will basically be not seen.
That's right.
He'll not be existing.
That's right.
And social media, the way I look at it, might be basically a little bit like building a sewage system. Who the hell wants to spend money on a sewage system? But it is a lot better, it's a lot lesser evil to spend money on a sewage system than to have a city with open sewage and things just running through the streets, right?
That's right. That's right. It's lesser of an evil.
It's a lesser evil. Well, all right. I hope this was informative, and there's more such videos on it. Go there, go to the website below, and we'll see you there. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.